دائما هيك تجي تشوفوا منو نجيب بوزيتيف انرجي ببينك اتيك من جنان. يلا فوتي. كيفكم؟ تمام وهلا. Miss you guys. Miss you more. جنان is our little bubble of life بالمكتب. يلا تعالي لك اعملي بوزيتيف انا اوريكها. مدام again. So basically هون بنبلش نحضر الاوردرز. We print all the details we have لأنه we schedule كمان with the delivery company لأنه بيجوا around تقريبا 4-5 so تيكون كل شيء حاضر لأنه بده شوية وقت. بونجور للجماهير.
للجماهير.
لأنه هيك
اليوم shooting dresses.
مظبوط.
So عم نعمل selection للدريسز now. نضبطي بشوي يعني سبت messy in here مع
It's always messy as much as we try بس إنه
هلا we're getting things ready.
So all of them are summer dresses. I agree. Super nice colors. Hello again. This is our cute bags. هول الباجز نعملهم customization. عادة نتخانق لما بدي اكتب على الباجز. We don't know why we love this task بس it's fun. Believe me. لأنه هيك with love, with much love we do it. So basically هون بنحضر الاوردرز، ناخد بننبش على الايتمز تنقدر نضب بالكيس من بعد ما نكون طبعنا الوراق. And we're excited today we have scrunchy orders basically. So
Yay!
I'm gonna get them also to pack them.
As you know, the scrunchies is the first product that we have created in Pink Attic from scratch. Usually we get fabric scarves from old items and items that cannot be donated for charity because they are broken or damaged, and they turn their stories into this beautiful accessory for the hair or the hand, depends on your choice.
And voila, now we can pack. I'm gonna get the other bags for the scrunchies.
So I'm gonna start doing the Pink
Yes,
Attic.
you can.
We're starting the painting. هلا رح نبلش الأغراض. So basically it's gonna be on this wall.
ليك وش حلو اللون. هلا ناطرين تينشف تنرجع نقدر نقبع الستيكر عنه. Now going to the shooting room عند مارون وجنان. They are shooting some items for the next drops. We have a new collection that will be soon on the website. It's a summer theme, so stay tuned. نعمل فير فوتينج. احنا ثلاثة يعني 2 على 1 أو 3 على 3 أو 3 على 3 بوزيتيف نيجاتيف حسب. فهلا رح نعمل سelection لهول الايتمز اللي وصلوا لنا. I have the same dress. I know. I like it. You love me. I love this dress. It's not حلو.
Exactly. So
I want it.
I want to buy it back.
I will
Let's
buy
see
it
if
back.
it's your size, madam. Yes, it's an L. Okay, we have a winner. I like it. I think.
I don't like it. لا بس فينا ناخذ.
It's interesting.
No, I like it.
ايه.
It's interesting.
I don't like the size.
What's the size? I think it's an L.
We need large sizes.
3 yeses.
Yeah.
Yes.
I love this.
Yeah, it's nice.
And I love the color.
بس كأنه
Is it
شوي
stained?
stained. ايه. على لون الكولر. Woo! I love it. I like it. I like it a lot.
We all love this, no?
Yes.
This is okay. It's a habla ورا.
ايه.
It's super nice.
Depends.
I like. No,
That's
I
actually
like it.
how you style it.
And the pockets.
On the pockets! I like dresses with pockets.
We have a winner. Yes.
Yes.
Yes. 3 yeses. Wow! Wow! Let's vote on this.
I have mixed feelings. I'm gonna say
That's
yes.
it. I don't hate
My
it.
style. Yeah.
It could work.
It could work.
It could work with a belt بهاللون وهيك nice heels. I see it. لا.
Yes, إذا في 2 yeses يعني بتربحوا معنا.
Can I try to style this?
Yeah.
Can
Yes,
that
you
be the
can.
challenge?
Yes, you can. For video, for TikTok.
Perfect.
Italiano.
Second bag.
Yeah.
We have the second seller. It's very nice. No, it's my size. كنت أخذته. This is a yes. 3 yeses from me. If you don't
yes,
like
yes,
it.
yes.
Okay, so we have the shoes. And let's check the other stuff. Bag. PA signature bag.
أكيد yes.
Classy, nice, classy. هلا شوي ملبوس بس I think إذا حدا بيشتريه easily بيتظبط يعني لأنه جلد.
Yeah.
It has little like هيك
Okay.
بس it's
لا أكيد yes.
We'll take pictures of the details.
so this is done. Ready for the reveal.
Yes. يلا. يا
شوي شوي.
دي بس هلا بدها تشيل اللي من جوا كمان.
ايه بالاخير.
I love it.
I wouldn't retouch it actually. Keep it like
I
this.
love it.
يعني يمكن
don't mind the texture. I love it. I love it.
Beautiful.
The day is ending. هلا خلصنا من الاوفيس. We're very happy with the painting / art wall، ما بعرف شو فينا نسميه. كثير انبسطنا بالريزلت. صرنا عن جد وقت بدنا نعمله هيك to feel كمان انه it's personalized for us اكثر واكثر بالاوفيس. I hope you liked this vlog و you enjoyed this journey، ورح اقدر اعمل لكم vlogs اكثر لانه دائما في عنا اشياء هيك exciting happening بالمكتب واشياء عم تتغير، لانه كمان بعد ما ركب مظبوط المكتب كله مثل ما نحن بدنا. The situation is hard, things sometimes are slow، بس we believe in second hand, we believe in sustainability, and I would really love to know your comments بالcomment box تحت الفيديو. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like it, to share it, and I will see you soon in another